Start off by removing your toilet seat screws, washer, and bolts, then detach and set aside. Line the rear bracket, labeled A, onto the back of the toilet. Please note the slide assist rail, labeled G, side openings should be closest to the toilet tank. Position your toilet seat and lid on top of the rear bracket. Align all screw holes, then fasten with the toilet screws, washers, and bolts. Attach the slide assist rail to the rear bracket. Align the screw hole and use the rear bracket screw knob, labeled B, to hand tighten each. Do this for the other side. Attach the leg extender, labeled H, to the armrest, labeled C, using the push pin at the bottom. Leave at the highest setting. Repeat this step for the opposite side. Note the screws should be inserted inside the rail to the outside. Attach the armrest to the slide assist rail using the armrest screws, washer, and knob. Connect the two crossbar connectors, labeled J, together. Use the crossbar lock pin, labeled L, to secure both pieces together in the middle. Note, the width should match the width of the rear bracket. Secure each end of the crossbar connectors to the base of the armrest. Use the crossbar screw knobs, labeled K, to connect each end. Make sure all connections are tight and secure. Press the suction tips onto the floor. Retest the width and height. Adjust as needed. If the crossbar hits the front of your toilet or if it touches the back of your legs when sitting, reduce the height of the legs until it is comfortable. You have now assembled your Vive Health toilet rail. Thanks for watching.